You're wearing black thinking you look elegant, but actually you look 10 years older, and no one has the courage to tell you. Look, I'm going to be direct with you. That little black dress that saved your life in your 30s, it became your worst enemy after 50. And it's not because you changed. It's because your skin changed, the texture changed, the tone changed, the luminosity changed. And black, it stayed exactly the same. Rigid, hard, unforgiving. It throws all the shadows on your face upwards. It highlights dark circles, deepens grooves, accentuates sagging. It's like turning on a spotlight on the parts you do not want to highlight. And calm down. I know what you were thinking. Oh my God, do I have to throw my entire wardrobe away? I love black. No, don't throw anything away. If you love black and won't give it up, I'm going to teach you a styling trick at the end of the video so you can keep wearing your favorite pieces without looking haggard. We were raised believing this. Black is slimming, black is chic, black solves everything. Lie, or rather, half-truth. Is black slimming? Yes. Is black versatile? Also yes. But does black rejuvenate after 50? That is where the problem lies. When you put a black piece near your face, it creates a brutal contrast with your skin. And mature skin has lost that rosy pigment, that natural glow. The tone becomes more yellowish, more opaque. Black takes this opaque tone and amplifies it. You know that effect of a photo with direct flash, where everything looks flat, lifeless? It is exactly that. The truth is the fashion industry sold you the basic black as a universal solution. And it's not your fault your closet is full of black. It's practical, it's safe, and we learned it is chic. I perfectly understand the appeal, but technically on mature skin, it stopped working for you. You need colors that work for your skin, not against it. And look, I know it's hard to let go because black gives security. It hides, it disguises. But do you know what else it does? It hides you too. It erases your presence. Honestly, when you look in the mirror wearing black, do you feel powerful or do you feel like something is weighing you down? I read everything you write and I want to know the truth from your heart, not the right answer. Write down below, I feel powerful or I feel heavy. I want to know which option is winning. Now comes the good part. There is one color that replaces black without you losing anything. Navy blue, deep navy. And look, it's not just any blue. It's that blue so dark that from afar it looks like black. But the magic is in the pigment. The blue pigment cools down the skin. You know that color wheel theory where one color cancels out yellow? It's blue. So when you wear navy near your face, it neutralizes those yellowish tones, those sunspots, that dullness, and brings back a freshness that black will never bring back. Is it still slimming? Yes. Is it still elegant? Yes. Is it still versatile? 100%. But now it works in your favor. I tested this on clients for years. In black, she looks tired. In navy, she looks rested. It's that simple. And do you know the best part? Navy goes with everything black goes with. Jeans, perfect. White, beautiful. Nude, sophisticated. So if you have a wardrobe full of black, start by swapping the top pieces. Black blazer becomes navy. Black blouse becomes navy. Leave the black pants if you want, because they are far from the face, but near the neck, the chin, the eyes. Navy, always. Are these tips helpful to you? Show your support with a like. Your interaction allows YouTube to always show my videos to you and also helps this content reach other wonderful women like you. Now, if you are the type who thinks navy is too colorful, I have another solution. Charcoal gray, dark slate gray. Do you know why? Because the big problem with black isn't just the color, it is the contrast. Black creates a very aggressive visual cut line between the clothing and the skin. Too hard, too graphic, and this hardens your entire expression. You get that look of being angry, serious, tired, even when smiling. Charcoal gray makes a smooth transition. It is still dark, still discreet, still urban, but its transition to the skin is gentle. So your face visually relaxes. Look, think about photography. When you want a dramatic portrait, use a black background. When you want an elegant portrait, use a gray background. It's the same logic. And charcoal gray is the perfect color for mixing. Does it match black? Yes. Does it match white? Yes. Does it match navy? Also yes. It's like the elegant wild card. And you can use it next to your face fearlessly. Gray turtleneck, gray blazer, gray scarf, everything works. Now I'm gonna tell you the secret of professional photographers, the light reflector. Do you know what it is? It's that white panel they put under the model's face for the light to hit it and reflect upwards, illuminating from below, filling shadows, softening wrinkles, lifting the gaze. And do you know where you can have this every day? In your clothes, using light colors near the neck. Off-white, cream, pearl, sand. These colors work exactly like a reflector. They catch the natural light of the environment and throw it back onto your face, from bottom to top. So dark circles lightened, grooves softened, dull skin gains glow. It is pure physics. But look, it's not just any white. Optical white is too aggressive. The secret lies in the warm light tones. Cream has a yellow undertone, so it harmonizes with the skin. Off-white is the perfect middle ground. In ivory is gold. Put on an ivory blouse, a cream scarf, an off-white blazer, and look at your face in the mirror. You will see the difference instantly. It looks like you slept well, looks like you are rested, looks like you did expensive skincare, but it is just the color. So if you still don't have pieces like this in your wardrobe, this is priority number 1. You know that friend you love, but who is always making this mistake? Don't let her be embarrassed. Send this video to her. Say you thought this content was amazing. It is an act of care, of true friendship. Now I need to destroy another myth, the famous black and white. Black with white is the height of elegance. It is for fashion editorials. For you, it can be a disaster. The black and white combination has a technical name in design, high contrast. And high contrast works beautifully in photos, in art, in graphics. But in real life, on a mature face, it is too aggressive, like visually harsh, and there is no transition, no softness, no breathing room, just EDGE. And when you put this near a face that already has texture, lines, tone variation, you amplify everything. So what is the solution? Swap optical white for off-white. Or for cream, black with cream, perfect. Still elegant, still graphic, still chic. But now there is a gentle transition. The eye rests. The skin breathes. Look, this is a subtle difference, but powerful. It's the kind of thing no one notices consciously, but everyone feels. Wow, you look different today. You look good. It is just the color. Okay, I know there are people who won't give up black no matter what. And that's fine. I respect it. But if you are team black forever, at least use it the right way. Rule number 1, keep it away from the face. Black pants, perfect. Black skirt, great. The problem is on top. So if you can't live without black, wear it from the waist down. And on top, navy, gray, cream, off-white. Rule number 2, if you need to wear black on top, create a skin barrier. How? Neckline, V-neck, boat neck, generous scoop neck. The idea is to have skin between the black and the face because then the skin becomes the reflector. And the black stays far enough away not to suck your light. Rule number 3, illuminating necklace. Pearl, light gold, clear stones, chunky chains and shiny metal. Anything that reflects light. Because if black absorbs, the necklace returns. It is strategic compensation. And it works a lot. Look, I'm not going to tell you to throw your wardrobe away, but I need you to understand. Clothes work for you or against you. There is no neutral, and black, after 50, most of the time, works against. So if you want to keep using it, use it with strategy, not on autopilot. Now you know how to replace black and illuminate your face. But attention, color is only half the way. It's no use getting the blouse tone right if you are committing this other mistake that appears here on the screen. It is silent, but it destroys the elegance of any woman after 50. I left the video about it separate here for you. Consider this your mandatory step 2 if you want to look more modern. Click there now before getting dressed tomorrow. I'll see you there.